I want to show you two render visuals now. You decide which of these render visuals is more realistic. This is our first visual and this is the second one, guys. I want to ask again, is the first visual realistic or the second one? Of course, the second visual. But you'll see how this visual progressed from this stage to that stage in this render training lesson. Guys, along with step-by-step application examples, I will show you the mistakes you have made through these example visuals. Now let's see where we made mistakes by looking at the errors. And let's move towards a realistic and high quality result by correcting the mistakes we've made. If someone isn't pointing out your mistakes, you'll never achieve a realistic and high quality result. Guys, our first mistake was not using natural lighting elements as a natural light source, not being fully reflected in the work. So the sunlight we see from the light source on the screen is not coming in. Where is it coming from? It's coming from behind the camera. And how do we understand this? We can tell from the shadow behind the pot and the incorrect placement of the shadows. Guys, actually there is a different light source behind the camera and the light source is coming in from there. The incorrect entry of the light source here is causing the shading of the table, which means there's a shadow error, and this comes back to us as an artificial light source. What do we need to do? First, the reflection of the natural light source coming in. 2, there are covering errors. Guys, because it uses very overwhelming and boring coverings regarding covering errors, the dynamic structure in the work doesn't really show itself. This needs to be changed, and I've already changed it in the other work. As you can see, the natural light doesn't match with the other work. The entry of natural light and its illumination inside and the different structure, different texture. Guys, it actually made the work more interesting. One of the biggest differences between this work and the other one is the lack of proper use of natural light. The second covering and the third is the improper use of the types of artificial lighting that come from the interior. In the next part, I will show you how to fix the errors. And what you need to do is, you will really have important information, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave comments on the videos. Our fourth mistake, guys, is that the supportive lights inside don't really show themselves properly. From where? Because the incorrect entry and use of natural light causes the artificial lights inside not to fully show themselves. Look here! Natural lights look so vibrant and dynamic, guys. Look, I can also show you the light that falls on the carving here as an example. Our third part is that the placement section here is incorrect, guys. Camera placement and furniture arrangement is really an important part. I took the left side of the panel here and brought it in front of the window, creating a spacious environment by opening up the entrance. At the same time, the rug being very large. Actually, I made the rug a bit smaller because it disrupted the aesthetic structure, allowing the flooring or the wood to be more visible. And at the same time, by using a different texture in the work and a rug that matches this texture, I balance the harmony of texture and pattern here. Guys, in the next part, you will see the mistakes or how you should correct them with 5 different methods. Yes, dear friends, I think this training content will be beneficial for you. It was a training content where I showed the mistakes. I will personally analyze the visuals you sent to the training@realisticrender.com and get back to you guys. realistic@realisticrender.com. You can send your render visuals as long as it's in a single frame. Friends, you can send it as just a single piece of work. If you subscribe to our channel, more content like this will be coming your way. See you again, with love and respect.